Protect your footage and your gear by mastering the memory card slot on your Sony A1. Let's locate the memory card compartment on the left side of your Sony A1. You'll find a section of the camera body dedicated to housing your memory cards. To open the slot, locate the small release latch. It's usually a small, flat surface designed to be pushed with a gentle but firm push using your fingernail or a plastic tool. Slide the latch in the direction indicated by any small arrows on the compartment. The compartment door will then swing open smoothly, revealing your memory card slots. The Sony A1 typically features two card slots, often supporting different card types for flexibility. Now, to insert a memory card, pay close attention to its orientation. Look for the metallic contacts on the card and the corresponding slots inside the camera. The card should slide in easily, with the contacts facing the right direction, usually downwards. Gently insert the card until you feel a slight click. This indicates that it's securely seated. Never force the card into the slot, as this can cause damage to both the card and the camera's internal mechanisms. To remove a memory card, you'll typically press inwards on the opposite end of the card you just inserted. Apply a firm, steady press, and the card should pop out far enough for you to grip and remove it. Once it's slightly ejected, you can simply pull the card straight out again. Avoid any aggressive wiggling or pulling. Finally, to close the compartment, simply align the door and gently push it until it clicks securely shut. This ensures your cards are protected from dust and accidental removal during shooting. By following these simple steps, you can confidently and safely access your memory card slots on the Sony A1, ensuring a smooth and reliable workflow for all your creative endeavors.